Hey everyone, Happy New Year! Welcome to 2020. Yeezy game is on. So I got my first silhouette here in the 380s, the aliens. I haven't seen them yet. Super stoked because, as you know, it's pretty exciting when the new silhouettes launch, and this is the first of its kind. So are we ready? What box is this? Here we are. These are crazy. Look at that pattern. It actually has this kind of crystalline effect going on here. It sparkles. We've got some holes in there. Looks like it's nice and airy. Whew, these are going to be a little difficult to keep clean, but I think we might be able to manage. What's crazy is I'm actually looking at these holes. And I swear to you, it just reminds me of Sigourney Weaver in Alien when that goo was kind of like coming off the aliens' faces and burning holes into things. I feel like an alien literally made these little holes here. Kind of what it looks like. And then I'm actually looking more into depth inside of the shoe. I don't know if you can see here, but there's extra padding that I'm not used to seeing in the Yeezy silhouettes. So this one actually has like these 3 panels in here, and it really pushes your foot up. So I highly recommend going up a size only because this padding literally is like cutting off some of the room inside the shoe. So it's a bit deceiving, but the back is very, very comfy. It's like an extra airbag of pillows behind your foot, just in case you need it. I like the pattern. It's got like this gray and kind of cream tone to it. Let's get the width. Nice, brand new smell. It's got my factory tie, which I like to keep. Check out the other one. It's crazy. It almost looks like the bottom sole has something going on there. I don't know if you can see that, but there's actually a pattern down here on the bottom too. I like the bottom of the sole as well. It's a little bit different than what we're used to seeing here. Nice woven material. Looks like it's going to fit my skinny ankles pretty well. Shall we try them on? I think we should try them on. Let's see how they fit. Be careful as always if you want to keep that factory tie though. Look like I have super narrow feet, and these should be easy hopefully to slip on, it looks like. That's what I like, is a nice easy slip-on shoe. Wow, that's right, look at that. Let's take a look at that. Yeah, those are nice. They fit my ankles perfectly. Doesn't feel like it's too big or too small. Like I usually get with all my Yeezys is I have the size up. So these are size 8. But I like the way they look. They really sparkle in the light. I don't know if you can catch that. Can you see that? Should we try the other one on? Let's try the other one. Step 2. Put on the left shoe. These are amazingly easy to put on. I love that. Slips right on. Here's the other guy.